Do you like that crazy ass intro I just gave you? You're welcome. Anyway, I forgot what I was gonna do today, but welcome back to another week in my life. We're starting this one off on Saturday, Labor Day weekend, cause why not? So by the time I post this, it's gonna be the week after Labor Day, but whatever. Okay, I am headed out to a, losing my thoughts. I'm headed out to an all white party. So I got a little dressed up, little white, little situation, little cute, you know. I'll show you the whole fit in a minute. But this has nothing to do with work and the life. Okay, so this is the fit. Just a white dress, is an all white party. So I got it's technically off-white, but it looks white adjacent, especially because of my skin color, so whatever. And then I have on and then I just paired them with my Khloé sandals, which, oh my god, I'm obsessed with. They're so comfortable too. So that's the fit, because ain't nobody wearing heels to be dancing at a party. Sorry, not me. I'm too old for that shit. So that's the fit. So what I was saying. Okay, bye. I really don't know what the need is for people to look glamorous and chic in their videos when it comes to a day in the life, when that's not necessarily true. So today is September 1st. So for the past day, I've been working on my September calendar. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like. Try to turn the camera around because I know how to do this. I do not, but whatever. So although yes, I am a huge tech geek, I like to start off my calendars, my week, to set up my Google Calendar with an actual paper calendar. So right, like this includes everything from my son stuff to my workouts to my 9 to 5 to my bills. So literally everything at a glance, and I kind of write notes at the bottom of what I'm focused on. So then I take this and actually enter it into my Google Calendar. And if I'm working on a fitness regimen, I add all of these workouts, which is what you see here in purple. And I have my little guide over here to kind of help me. And then what I do is I also take my to-dos. I take them from here. Yes, when I get an idea, this is my literally golden ideas. This is my post-it. Let me see where I wrote the name of it. Post-it. I don't know if you can see that, but it says post-it brain dump. So I literally, when I'm at my computer and I think of something, I take a post-it and I slap it here. What I do is, obviously at the end of the month, or as I'm going through the week, I'll write these in my to-do list on my phone, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And then I write down what these are and put it in my reminders app. So I'm gonna put up my reminders app on the side here. So I have like all these little categories: my list, routines, home, business, projects, shopping, and just. So what I do is, if it's any to-do list for my YouTube, I write it here. Any to-do list for my podcast, I write it there. Any to-do list for my Instagram, I write it there. If it's miscellaneous to-do, then I just write it under get it done. So all of these stickies, they ultimately go on here. So once I add them to my list, I delete this. This is gone. Throw this in the garbage and kind of start over. As you can see, I'm a little backed up because I just came back from my vacation, my birthday vacation to Jamaica. So if you want to see that, I'm going to actually link it below to my vlog channel so you can see all the fun things I did in Jamaica. But anywho, so that's what this is, and that's how I pretty much reset. Then I go through the list and I pick obviously the date that I want to do this. So for this one, find new VA for articles for my interior design membership club. I have to find a new VA because the one I had apparently is not answering anymore. So she ghosted me. So then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and give it a date. So I'll do today. And then I want to say I'm going to do this around 11 a.m. And then whatever even if they're in different lists, which is why I love this app, even if they're in a different list, once you give it a date, it comes up on, if it's today, If it's for today, it comes out on your today list. If it's scheduled for any time other than today, it comes up on your schedule list. Also, if you have a widget, if you have an iPhone, obviously this is how you would use reminders. If you get a widget, it actually shows you what you have on today right on your phone, which is kind of one of my favorite things. I can see really quickly what I have and then just press into it and it'll take me to that actual task, so I can go ahead and check that off. So one of my favorites, and that's pretty much how I reset my months. And then I go through my monthly goals as more of a nighttime thing, kind of winding down thing. So that's that. So I wanted to show this quick thing. So I have this planner. It is it's just a 2021 planner. It's a digital planner, but it's like black. Like the paper is black, and then you can write in, like, I usually write like pastel colors. Now it has all these awesome things like year overview, quarterly overview, monthly finances, weekly check-in, schedule planner, routine planner, habit tracker, goal tracker, meeting notes, event planner, around the house recipe cards. Like, it has so many good things. However, I used it fully for January. So I did my whole entire calendar. I don't know if you can see that, if it's picking up on camera. February. And then it obviously runs slow the more pictures you put on it and stuff. My only problem with this is last month, and I know I had a lot going on. It was my birthday month, and it's like super cute. Let me pull the camera up just a little bit. It's super cute. But I just don't end up using it. So I put like this month I put like my top things that I want to accomplish that month. And I think it's because I have an accountability group with my bestie, so this doesn't really, like, I don't really check this, to be honest. But then it does have, like, for the monthly overview, it kind of tells you to write down all of your important dates on this side. Then it has your top three focus for the month, right? Focus 1, focus 2, focus 3. And again, this is part of my accountability board. Did I do this already? I kind of put all this. We do it weekly. Of course, we don't do it monthly, but we do have quarterly things that we want to focus on. And so let me bring you to the quarterly overview. And so this is every 3 months. You write something. The monthly objectives for month 1, month 2, month 3. So if I were starting this now, it would be September, October, November, or what have you. And so I don't know why I haven't been able to use this to fill this potential. Like I said, it has let me show you. It has key dates. It has a project planner, like literally the name of the project, start date, deadline, progress, and all the tasks. But I use Milanote for these projects because they're usually like either home decor or events that I'm planning, so I use Milanote for that. And then you have a workout log. I use the calendar, and that's how I keep track of the workouts. When I don't do a workout, I delete it from my calendar, so I know that I didn't do it. So instead of it just being there and cheating myself, I know. Plus I use also my Apple Watch, which keeps my fitness calendar intact as well. Let me see what else I got going on. It has a mind map, which is kind of cool. So you have this ideas, and so some of these pages are super cool, and I think I'm gonna use them sporadically, kind of writing them and then maybe like print them out. But this is also black paper, so it's like, that's a lot of ink, bro. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna use this as you know, I guess paper. This is a brain dump. This is a huge master list to do, to make, to go, to eat, to read, to watch. I can do this either on Notion, or I can do this in my reminders app. So what I'm saying is, the whole point of me bringing this up, see, it has a habit tracker, which I think is pretty cool too. I don't keep habits, and a goal tracker, which I like as well. So what I'm saying with this is, if you start something, look at this event planning, which I think is cool. If you start something and you find a program, an app, and you use it for a while, and then you start realizing that it may not be the best for you, it's completely okay to switch up and change it and do something that's more beneficial to you than you'll actually use. Okay, so the whole point of me saying that is, you have something, you've been working with it for a while, it worked for a while, but now no longer serves you, or just you want to do things differently, it's okay. Like I said, I used to use this planner a lot. I used to love to write on it, especially when I was in the office, because I didn't have my personal computer there. But because I'm working from home now, I don't see the need to kind of write in the iPad. I use it more as I watch my shows while I'm working. And so to try to take it out to write now, I do use my iPad for morning pages. I do that. So these are my morning pages. I know the camera's washing it out, but I do write my morning pages here every day, since it's better, since it's just, morning pages are kind of just to get your thoughts out. It doesn't really have like a format. So I write them there so I can just delete them after, which is better than just like throwing away paper, if you know what I'm saying. And plus it's on my iPad, so now, you know, I don't feel the need like somebody's gonna read my stuff. So but yeah, so this is not really working for me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take pieces of this, I'm gonna put them on my Notion Life dashboard. If you want to check to see how I organize all my crap, literally all my crap, in Notion, check out the video. I'm gonna link it below as my Notion Life dashboard, and you can kind of see how I have it. But now I'm going to upgrade it with some of the things that I found on this page that I'm really liking. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And what I'll do is my accountability board, again, I use it every week with my best friend, so we do that together. And then what I'm gonna start doing now is monthly, I'm gonna have my Notion kind of update in that way. So I may do a video on that and how I update the Notion Life dashboard. If you want to see that, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I'm gonna be just a little bit dark because I don't want to turn on the lights, because it's not overcast, but because I live on the first floor and I'm surrounded by trees and stuff, it always looks like this. So that's what you're gonna get today. So hey, anyway, I just wanted to hop on really quick here to show my face. Obviously I'm vlogging, but I just wanted to include this portion of kind of like my life, because I work a 9 to 5. I have 2 businesses. I'm working on so many projects. I have a new client, I have a new project, not just for the house, but it's an event design project that I'm doing for fall with my girls. So I'm excited about that. And I just want to show you that you can do all those things and still go out and enjoy yourself. I'm going out with one of my best friends. We're just going out to an all white Labor Day party. You know the thing with after Labor Day, you can't wear white. So that's basically what this is. Even though I'm in Florida and we wear white all the damn time, it's always hot. But, and even if I was anywhere else, I still wear white when the hell I want to, because winter white, am I right? Any whoosies. So yeah, I just wanted to show you I'm heading out tomorrow too, to celebrate my birthday with my Florida girls, because I didn't get a chance to. I was in Jamaica with my New York friends, so tons of fun, exciting things. So I'm going to vlog a little bit. It's gonna be on my phone when we get to the place. I'm just gonna do a little something to just add in here for flair, if you will. So see you soon. So I really don't know